Hello everyone. Today's video we're going to be doing is locomotive profiles. We'll start with locomotive profiles from steam to electric, diesel, and etc. We'll start with the unbuilt locomotives that have never been built, or you ever heard of it, or these ones ever existed. So let's get started, shall we? The New York Central's Niagara duplex was a proposed and never built duplex steam locomotive, as it was meant to be for the New York Central Railroad. The builder for this locomotive is somewhat of a mystery. The idea for the design. The New York Central's Niagara duplex was designed to look like a Niagara 484 Northern, but with duplex locomotives modifications on its wheel arrangement would have been later been a 444. It would have been built, and it was meant to be to compete with Pennsylvania Railroad Class T1s. The locomotive would have a larger coal capacity, increased from 46 to 64 tons, an overall length of 123 feet, an overall wheelbase of 104, an overall weight 970 for 100 pounds, 440.17 tons, a slightly longer PT class centipede tender with a unique extra axle, the same amount of weight on the drivers for 20 inches, 508 millimeters times 660 millimeter cylinders, then a boiler pressure of 290 pounds, and tractive effort rating of 64.901 pounds. And here's why wasn't it built. The reason why the New York Central's Niagara duplex wasn't built was because of many reasons. One, duplex locomotives have very bad habit of wheel slip, with the sole expectation of the Pennsylvania Railroad Class Q2 duplexes when starting, due to the amount of steam that would go to the cylinders. And two, when the 1940s came to be, steam technology was considered as old school. Diesels were rapidly taking over steam locomotives in America. The idea/notion of investing another steam locomotive wasn't a good idea. So the New York Central Railroad had wondered buying a bunch of diesels from EMD, as they did pretty much every other railway. So, ultimately, this locomotive was never built or constructed. But imagine if New York Central built a duplex Niagara. Would have been successful, or would have failed? I'll leave it up to you in the comments below. And that's it. Like and subscribe, and see you later, guys.